Hi, financial correspondent Jen Rezac here alongside Calvin Getz of Strategy Financial Group. Now, Calvin, we have seen increased government spending, so some people are saying that can contribute to higher taxes in the future. What should retirees be thinking about here?
Well, Jen, we've got record low tax rates right now that are likely going to expire at the end of 2025, automatically back to higher rates. And with record high debts and deficits and Social Security and Medicare and some of those entitlement spending, we're going to see higher tax rates in the future, most likely. So people need to be planning for that. And when you saved all your money in an IRA or a 401k, you may not have realized that you have a partner in that, and that is the IRS. And they can change their interest in that partnership at any time, whether it's 12%, 22%, 24% or higher. So usually people want to start considering some partial Roth conversions over time so that they can get that business partnership out and they're not forced to pay taxes at unplanned rates.
Important for us to keep in mind that we can be proactive here and mitigate some of those tax liabilities in the future. Tell us about some of your resources.
That's right. That's why I wrote the book, The Retirement Roadmap, to address these concerns, and added some additional resources with the retirement kit to really address how to handle a rising rate environment and protect your retirement.
Right. It's certainly something to keep an eye on here. So if you are worried that looming tax hikes could impact your retirement, call, text, or go online and you can get Calvin's Retirement Roadmap Kit. There's information about taxes, income, a lot of great resources available there. Calvin, thanks so much for your time today.
Thank you, Jen.
And thank you for watching this week's Retirement Report.